Yo, what is up, loud and proud crowd? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Yes, I'm sipping on another coffee. Pretty tired. A lot of late nights. Last night was a different kind of late night. I was actually out deer hunting with my buddy Joshua F on YouTube. If you guys want to go check him out, I think he's filming some videos here. Coffee break really quick. I was out hunting with my buddy Joshua. Went over on our personal farm, the farm we own just like 10-15 minutes from here, and did some deer hunting because I haven't tagged a deer yet this season. And I saw a handful of deer. Had a doe come in within actually 4, but this last group, but you know, one of them, she stayed behind, and 86 yards, and I'm pretty confident. Actually, on my outdoors channel, I used to shoot with a crossbow for fun at, you know, 100, 150, 175 yards just for fun. I have videos of me shooting long distance, just popping balloons and resting and just taking my time. It's actually really fun, and I've done a lot of shooting like that with a crossbow. So I had this doe at 86 yards. And he's like, man, she's 86 yards. You think you should take that shot? I'm like, bro, I'm very confident in the shot, you know, like whatever. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna squeeze it off. So threw the crossbow up on a branch real quick and popped it off at 86 yards. And actually, I'm not gonna show you any pictures because it's kind of graphic for YouTube and they'd get mad, but punched her straight through the middle of the heart with my crossbow with that bolt. So she actually kind of ducked a little bit and it went into her and hit her perfect. So anyways, all that aside, that's not what this video is about. This video is not about hunting, it's about the next truck giveaway. Kind of the whole objective with the giveaways is to give somebody a truck as a thank you for their support and, you know, buying the merch and stuff like that to make it even possible. And then also to be able to actually fund the channel to where we can actually do stuff, you know, because just to clear up, because I get some people that comment, you know, like, oh dude, you know, don't give away your trucks, just make a lot of videos. You can't really make videos that you actually get stuff done unless you have money to pay for stuff, because it's very expensive. You know, just because we're on YouTube doesn't mean that we don't have to pay with real money. Like we have to pay for tons and tons of stuff, and every truck channel out there is gonna tell you it costs a lot of money. I think last month it costs, you know, I'm not even gonna say the number, but it costs thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get by with what we did. Because we had to build Nasty Red's transmission, we had to do the dualies clutch, we had to do the front end on Nasty Red, brakes on Nasty Red, we had to do, well, partial of this red truck, a few $1,000s for that truck, and gonna be a few thousand more by the time it's done. Just lots and lots of expenses. You guys can do the math if you guys remember what each of those things cost. I kind of mentioned some of it throughout the videos. It's not cheap. That's the point of the giveaways, is to be able to actually make cool stuff, actually finish the builds and be able to do stuff. And then also just give trucks back, you know, give trucks to people who are making it possible to even finish some of these builds. So that's the whole objective. The first giveaway was, we did a 97 in 96, and at the end of that giveaway, a kid out of, where was he from? I thought he was Eaton, Ohio. Yes, Eaton, Ohio, I still remember that. Jonathan, cool kid, won the truck, loves it. He's always posting pictures of it, you know, commenting on YouTube and stuff. And like, he's a believer now. Like, he's like, yeah, this is legit. This is cool. You know, like, I won a freaking truck for the cost of a t-shirt. Like, that's awesome, which is cool, you know, because he's a kid. He's like, dude, I'm working every day of the week. Haven't really had too nice of a truck. And this is just like a life-changing, you know, moment for him. So that was the goal with that. It was just an awesome thing. Don't get me wrong. Killer truck, super clean, super nice. But, you know, we wanted to try to step it up a little bit with the next giveaway. So for the next giveaway, we went with the dually, which is just a great truck, and we did some more stuff to it. The Chevy center console, threw some seat covers on. We finished the, you know, we did the clutch on that, the dual disc clutch, the 5th gear upgrade, all that stuff. Got that truck just in a lot, just even better shape than it was. So it was like just topped off, like nice. And then we also did Nasty Red, which is what I tried to do. I tried to make that truck perfect. I dumped so much money into that truck. I mean, the goal was to get that truck in such perfect shape that lots more people wanted to enter, lots more people would be excited, and they'd be like, oh, sick, dude, that's like such a cool truck we've seen on the channel for so long, just would love to win that. And kind of in the end, towards the last couple days, people just kind of started not liking it quite as much. I'm not going to make too many comments on that, but they just kind of were like, it looks really good, but there's a few things that just aren't quite right about it, you know. So it kind of let some people down. Therefore, you know, a lot less people entered that giveaway than the first 12 valve giveaway. But anyway, so I got to a point where I'm just like, I'm kind of tired of, you know, trying to build a truck during the month of the giveaway, you know, unexpected, you know, costs popping up left and right, and you end up being in 10,000 more than you should have been because of, you know, one thing here, one thing here, one thing here. And when you're building trucks during the giveaway, it's kind of iffy because you don't know how it's going to turn out. And not only that is, you don't know what other expenses on an old truck are gonna pop up. Like I took it in to get brakes, your axle shafts need replaced. Do it. You know, there's another several $100s. Your whole front end needs redone. There's another $1,000. You need this done. There's another $1,000. You know what I mean? Like, it's just one thing after another. And then I'm just over here like scrolling through my pocketbook going like, holy crap, like this is getting expensive, you know, because they're expenses you never saw coming, so you couldn't factor them in. And then next thing you know, you're spending too much on the truck. You know, it didn't turn out quite perfect, and then some people were disappointed, some people were super excited, just that type of a deal. And it got to a point where I was like, I don't want to do that, you know, with this next giveaway. So I'm about to reveal to you guys the next giveaway truck. I give you guys the L&P Longhorn giveaway. Yes, I know I just bought the truck, and yes, I know this wasn't the plan to give the truck away right now. And let me kind of clear things up, because I don't want people to get the wrong idea. Was I planning to give away this truck at some point? Yes, but I was planning on giving it away a few months from now, not right now. However, I did a lot of thinking, really just a lot of thinking on like, what is going to do the best for the people? What are people going to be the most excited about? What's going to get people the most engaged? What would somebody be the most excited about winning? Like, if they won something, what would be what truck next could they just be so blown away that it just literally like could change their life in terms of like the way they view certain things? Like, wow, good things really do happen to people, and there are people out there who do good things for people. I'm just thinking, I'm like, man, like I love driving this truck. I just got it. Like I've never driven a truck this nice. You know what I mean? Like I've been in my dad's King Ranch off and on, but like I've never owned my own truck that was this nice. I've always driven, you know, the old 90s trucks, which is fine because I love those trucks, but I'm like, I've never driven something this nice. This is nice, but I'm like, I know I wanted to drive it like a few more months, but I'm like, I gotta give this thing away. I'm like, this would make somebody's life so much, this could bring something, so much happiness to somebody within a matter of a phone call when they realize they won this truck. And I'm like, as much as I want to drive this truck another 2-3 months, I'm like, I just can't do it. I just can't get myself to do it, knowing there's somebody else out there that could have their life changed by me giving up something that I love driving already so much. And it's kind of like, it's a bittersweet, because it is my dream truck. Like that is like, it's my dream truck. You know what I mean? Like it's something I would have, like if I was going to go buy a new Ram today, that's the truck I would buy. Like I would not buy another truck. That is the one I would go pick out. And spec, like that's the truck, inside out, everything. And I'm just like, but it could be somebody else's dream truck too, you know what I mean? Like this is my dream truck, but this could be a dream come true for, you know, another guy out there. So I'm like, a guy or a girl, so I'm like, you know what, let's do it. I called my attorney the next day, and I'm just like, we're giving this truck away. He's like, you're giving what? This truck? He's like, dude, that truck's just shy of 70 grand. Like, you sure you want to do that? I'm like, I want to do it, man. I want to give this truck away. And okay, so that's what we're doing. We're giving away the 2018 Mega Cab Longhorn truck, and I am so nervous. It's a lot of truck. It's, you know, it's not a $10,000, $15,000 truck anymore. You're talking about a $70,000 pickup. I mean, that's a big deal. So it's kind of, it's a bittersweet. But the sweetest part about it is, one of you guys, for the cost of a t-shirt, are gonna be driving that truck. This giveaway is gonna start next weekend, okay? It's projected to start October 25th at midnight, okay? So this is it, guys. The next giveaway truck. I'm freaking excited. It's a 2018 Laramie Longhorn Edition. Ram 3500 Cummins diesel. Obviously it's 4-wheel drive, loaded out. It's the Mega Cab model. I mean, it's got all of the bells and whistles. Like, you can't get any more options on this truck. heated seats front and rear, all the fancy stuff. I mean, just, I mean, everything. Like, you can't get more options. Like, it's completely loaded out. So that's what I'm super excited, guys. This is the craziest, most insane giveaway we've done yet. I don't know. I can't tell you when we're gonna be able to do another giveaway like this one because I don't know for sure. This is kind of insane. I wasn't really thinking about doing a giveaway this crazy yet, but I had the truck and I'm like, shoot, I already own the thing. You know, I might as well put it up for a giveaway. So that's what we're gonna do. Pretty excited, pretty stoked. Somebody's gonna be rolling around in this thing. Just an update on the dually truck. It is gonna be getting delivered to Devin, the winner, still by this weekend. Thank you so much. Hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am. Don't forget, next Thursday, stay tuned, be listening on my Instagram account, my Snapchat, my YouTube, everything, because one of those days next weekend is when this giveaway is going to be live and you guys can start entering to win this beautiful, beautiful truck. One last good look around it. Got a little bit of dirt on it right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys are excited and you're stopping in, please leave a like on this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you're new. Join the team, join the family, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.